baseboards before. Baseboards before. See the baseboards after.
How you doing over there?
Pretty good. Thank you for asking.
Awesome.
You see the dust all on it. Now I know that doesn't look bad, like you zoom out, you can't really see it. But if you're cleaning, you want to make sure everything is clean. So you want to make sure you get that. And then there's a cobweb right there too. See? See a little cobweb? We'll make sure we get that as well. And all that dust. You saw that dust? Yeah, details. It's in the details in the clean. Make sure the details are taken care of. Yeah, let me go on and take care of that, man. Yeah. The dust. There's the dust right there. No dust right there. No dust. Dust. Oh, you done work them gloves off, ain't you?
Yeah.
Nah, you alright, you alright. What we got in here, we pulled these out. It was on the real wheelers, the rollers. They rolled those out. Got behind there. Pulled that out. Got behind this. Put all of that stuff out, got behind it. I'm gonna see if we can throw away those boxes. Up under there. Make sure we sweep. Got all up under there looking nice. Alright, so we have this finished. I'm here turning back over the glasses. Nice looking glasses, sitting everything looking good. Got those up there nice and shiny. Another one down. Deep clean on the road. We got your vent up there too. We got to get all the dust up out of there. Pow, pow, pow. Yes, sir. We got your lights up here. And all of those taken care of.